गया मैम आगे से।
आपने हम लोग का ऐड देखा?
देखा।
लॉन्चिंग द ऐड विद ऑल ऑफ यू टुडे
थैंक यू।
एंड फॉर दैट
तू इधर लेना।
दिस इज दिनेश जो मुझे यहाँ पे छोड़ के आए हैं एंड
इधर ले लो चंदू भाई।
ये साइड आ जाइए दादा जी, ये साइड।
यू कैन कम
पण हे काय तर बरं करून काय फायदा कशासाठी आले?
टीचर्स करते ना
हाँ रख दीजिए
रख दीजिए ना।
रख दीजिए चलेगा। शिवा पीछे आ जा,
आई नीड योर हेल्प
ये पीछे आ शिवा।
रास्ता ब्लॉक मत करो रे, बंद भगाओ ये गाड़ी।
दादा आप वो साइड आ जाओ।
हाँ राखी
बस बस बस
बस,
आगे
बस,
आगे
बस।
आगे आगे।
क्या बात है?
इनके साथ में इधर पे
ये बाजू
आगे
बाजू
आओ, आगे।
थोड़ा पुढे भाऊ
आगे आगे
बैक
थोड़ा आगे ना रख।
दादा
दादा थोड़ा पुढे थोड़ा पुढे
हाँ
बस
क्या बात है?
हाथ आगे बढ़ाओ
क्या बात है? ये जरा पीछे हट, उसको चंदू उसको हटा।
दादाजी यहाँ पर
दादाजी यहाँ पे देखिए।
इधर तो देखिए।
क्या बात है?
आई थिंक हम लड़कियाँ स्पेशली इन बॉम्बे आई एज अ गर्ल कैन से मैं बहुत सेफ फील करती हूँ व्हेन आई ट्रैवल। इवन रात को अगर मुझे सडनली अपने फ्रेंड के घर जाना है एंड आई डोंट हैव माई ड्राइवर आई डोंट हैव द कार आई कैन से दैट बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइज मैं बहुत सेफली बैठ सकती हूँ रिक्शा में एंड आई कैन गो टू प्लेसेस। आई थिंक हम लड़कियाँ बहुत लकी हैं टू हैव यू गाइज बीइंग देयर इवन बीच रात को एंड ऑल वी फील रियली सेफ टू बी ट्रैवलिंग टेकिंग पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट। सो थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
सेकंड
जा 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 दादा उधर तुम्ही तिकडे जावा।
दादाजी इधर
दादाजी इधर दादाजी इधर।
शिवा
चलो आगे जाओ दादा। इसको भी बनवाना है।
दादाजी
इधर।
बोलो 500 दे दो उनका दादा।
तेरे को चाहिए तेरा राखी, इसको भी राखी बांध देगा अभी तो बोला तू।
दादा मैम
आगे कहाँ आ रहा है?
राखी बांधना है।
100%
हेलिल को भी बांधना है और उसको प्रभास को भी बांधना है आपको।
प्लीज आ जाओ।
अरे रुको यार।
ये प्रभातला पण लाव। प्रभात राखी बांधना है।
सोगी
दादा तो इकडे या साईडले।
दो दिनेश
दादाजी यहाँ पे दादाजी यहाँ पे। चला फटाफट चला पीछे पीछे हल्का हल्का पीछे आओ।
पीछे खड़ा कर दो ना।
सबको साथ में खड़ा करते एक बार। सबको साथ में खड़ा करते एक बार।
प्रभात को बांध दीजिए।
और हेनिल हेनिल
आजा
एक ग्रुप फोटो करूया।
शर्माओ मत। अरे व्हाट इज योर नेम?
अनिल कैमरा लो।
अनयूजुअल नेम यार।
हेनिल हेनिल लुक कैमरा। दादाजी यहाँ पे देखिए।
प्रभात जा।
वाह
चलो आ जाओ साथ में ग्रुप ग्रुप
सब ग्रुप में आ जाओ।
Beautiful pictures, all bad angle pictures and all we shouldn't take.
चलो
सब साथ में आ जाओ।
थोड़ा आ जाओ
पीछे 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 हो जाओ। हाँ, पीछे हो पीछे हो।
दादा थोड़ा आतमध्ये या आतमध्ये या
थोड़ा आत्मा
आतमध्ये या। हाँ भाई बोल ना। कैमरा थोड़ा पीछे लेंगे थोड़ा हल्का सा।
मैं लूँ?
नहीं नहीं तेरा नहीं।
दादा राखी तो दिखाओ।
दादा राखी दिखाओ.
नहीं दिख रहा है।
आधा नाही आहे
तुम्ही सर्वांनी मिळून तिला आधाला बांधा.
हो स्कूलमध्ये
चालेल, बाय चला. बाय.
चलो.
डन. मैम थोड़ा और बाहर आ जाइए ना.
मैम थोड़ा हल्का सा
बाहर आ जाइए. वाह. थैंक यू.
कैमरा भाई.
अरे ले
ले
फटाफट.
ले फटाफट ले. चलो थैंक यू.
अरे ले जेरॉक्स कर.
चलो आधा जी बाइट कर लेते.
भाई तो चालू हो जाएगा भाई. बाइट.
जब कुछ अच्छा टास्क कर रही है आज लाइक प्रमोटिंग दी ब्रांड एज वेल एज जो राखी का एक बंधन होता है वो
जी.
सभी को आप कुछ नया इनोवेशन लाइक सिखा रहे हो
जी.
इस बारे में क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
So we are promoting the brand FNP today, and we had this ad that we did, which got really popular. Thanks to all of you. And मेरे रियल लाइफ में कोई भाई नहीं है, बट आई हैव टू से एज अ गर्ल जो बॉम्बे में पली बड़ी हूँ, आई फील मैं जब भी लाइक रात के टाइम पे घर से निकलती हूँ या डांस क्लास से, इवन बिफोर आई वॉज एन एक्टर, आई टू यूज़ पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. रिक्शाज वर द बेस्ट थिंग एवर बिकॉज इट्स लाइक रिक्शा में बैठ के चले जाओ, यू नो. सो वी टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड सो मेनी टाइम्स दैट आप घर से बाहर निकलो और रिक्शा है. व्हेन यू गो अब्रॉड यू रियलाइज़ कि यू नो यू हैव टू बुक योर थिंग एंड ऑल, बट हियर रिक्शाज आर एवरीवेयर. And as a girl, I feel safe when I travel in rickshaws in Bombay. And I think it's thanks to these guys who are there also. They are there at really odd hours of the night also. And today, as a symbolic protection, since they protected us all year, I think today we, as a sister, I'm symbolically saying with thought, I would like to send good vibes and protection to you.
How did you thought about this concept about rickshaw wala and all, like for promoting this brand?
Actually, to be honest, the script came to me for the ad, and I thought it's such a cool concept to have because in real life, like for Rakhi, Raksha Bandhan, I don't celebrate Raksha Bandhan. I don't have any real blood relation brothers. So when the script came to me for the ad, I thought it's such a nice concept, and I said that's true. I symbolically do feel so protected, right? You're trusting the person who's dropping you, along with your life, of course, because you're the person moving the vehicle is. Got your entire life in their hands as well as reaching you from A to B destination. So yeah, I anyway thought in my mind I think so. So it's great to be associated with the
Please also come in रक्षा बंधन अक्षय सर हैं उसमें.
जी.
लेकिन अक्षय सर इस फिल्म का हिस्सा कोई कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे मुझे को भी किसी ने भाई कंसीडर नहीं किया, ना मैंने किसी को बहन कंसीडर किया. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Talking about the industry, have you even considered जिसका any producer, any director, any actor or any from the industry?
For Akshay sir, I've just worked with him in the Sting commercial with the gorilla. So at least he did not consider me a gorilla, or maybe he did. You'll have to ask him. But for me, I don't think, no, I didn't think of him as a brother or the gorilla as a brother. But let me give it some thought. There are still 3 days to run.
But any individual considered you as a sister, कभी ऐसा relation हुआ कि आपको लगा कि ये मेरे भाई की तरह है या?
No, to be honest, I really haven't felt like that. But like I said, it's usually you feel a very a vibe of someone protecting you like that. So yes, there have been people in my life who've been really nice to me. I mean, मैं industry से नहीं हूँ, मेरा कोई like दूर का भी रिश्तेदार connected नहीं है industry से. So all the people who've trusted me and given me chances, let me act in their movies, liked my auditions, cast me in roles, sending good energy to all of them, and a big thank you.
Well, आपने कहा कोई भी blood relation like कोई brother नहीं है, लेकिन आज तो भाई बन गए. कैसा लगा
Absolutely.
celebrate करके with all the auto वाला भैया?
I felt really nice. आपको कैसे लगा?
एकदम अच्छा और गुड फील.
So yeah, I think it's just a thought thing. I don't even know if it can be expressed in so many words. In the ad, we tried to.
As well as एक और एक चीज़.
What's your name? Which school are you in?
10th Mount Vernon.
Oh wow. 1 second. You're going to school now?
Yes.
What time does school start? So late. Thank you.
As well as why you are promoting this brand, because of there are many brands just like Rakhi, many like blind schools and all the students make all such Rakhis.
Yes.
But why you are promoting this brand? Is that any story behind it?
To be honest, I've worked with the brand before on a short film. Okay, that's when I got to know about the brand, and I'm working with them on something else which has to do with animals. And as you all know, animals are really something that I passionately believe, and they're doing something for the cause of animals. So that's when I was associated with the brand first. Then they told me about this concept, and I thought it's really nice when you're telling people that even if it's not a blood relation, you can still be connected to somebody. You're also saying that the common man, and you're not doing any disparity between. I really like when people do that. Like for me, when people ask me what's the best quality I like in a man or in a person, I think it's a very attractive quality when people don't do disparity and treat people equally. I think it makes somebody very attractive. So if I can do something like that, even at a small level, I think it feels.
Looking at the concept, the boxes and all of Rakhi, is it so the middle class people will be able to take this?
Yeah, I think there are various boxes of various prices. Like the one that we opened was a fancy one with 3 rakhis and haldi kumkum, and there's a laddu and some and all. There are different size, different shapes. Now rakhis, like clothes, you get from, like shoes, you get from all sizes, shapes, colors, prices. Yeah, it's up to you what you think works for you and what you will pick up.
In recent times, South industry or Bollywood को लेकर काफी बातें हो रही हैं. You have been successful in Hindi industry also, South industry also.
Thank God.
Do you consider that South industry is moving ahead as compared to Bollywood? और क्या अच्छी बात is a positive thing or what coming to?
I think any movies in India, for me it's Indian cinema, like you said. मैं हर टाइप की फिल्में करती हूँ, हर लैंग्वेज में. मैं रियल लाइफ में मलयाली आधी हूँ, and I'm half Tamilian. My mom is, so I'm a mixture of a lot of things, but I've done movies in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada. Things have got dubbed to Malayalam as well. I'm doing a Hindi movie right now where I'll be speaking Malayalam. I've done a Telugu movie where I played a Muslim girl. So for me, any movie in India that's moving ahead, I'm very happy. Yeah.
As well as you are a good dancer also. So is
Thank
it so in the upcoming days we are going to see any of your new projects?
I'm actually shooting 3 films. So I'm busy, but I will try to do some dance video and put on Instagram for all of you to watch. But in a film, no one's letting me dance yet. Yeah, I'm waiting for somebody to let me dance. I'm doing very serious films. One, I'm playing a cop, and also if I say मुझे dance करना, they'll be like Niklo films.
Yes, one of your posts we saw, it was related cops only on
Yes.
Instagram. So will you like to give some of the hint to the audience?
It's Padav actually, the film I'm doing, they've announced, so I can say. Otherwise, I'm like, till they announce, I'm like, I will not say anything. But now since the film is announced, it's called Padav. I play a cop, and you're like me in Commando 2 and 3 as a cop, Bhavna Reddy. So I hope you're like this cop also. It's a serious role, it's not funny like I was in Commando, but it's nice to play a cop, I think, different kind of cops.
Well, this year we have a 75th Independence Day, and we have
Yes.
one of the theme that Tiranga, Har
Yes.
Ghar, Ek Tiranga.
Yes.
So what do you feel like this concept is like going to make Jagrut to all the people? Yeah.
See, any concept that is evoking patriotism, like I said, at a really small, tiny level also, if there's something good that we can do, it's always a good thing only. As long as people are promoting good things, it's a good thing. And in our houses, that's what we can do. And a feeling of patriotism, of course, keeping a flag does make us feel proud, and we should feel proud of our country.
Last year, being a part of South industry, Hindi industry, काफी सारे actors internationally भी Deepika, Priyanka, now Alia is doing a very big project. Internationally, क्या plan है? Are you wanting to do any project internationally or what?
I'm actually doing something. There are no plans, but let me tell you, honestly, I just go with the flow, and if good things happen, they happen. But a lot of good things are happening, and but like I'm a kind of person who, when it releases, I tell people, and then people watch it. I prefer that than me saying things right now. I'll wait till things release. So.
Lastly, any message to the all the fans who are loving this?
Thank you for supporting me. I think it's because of you guys that I can live my dreams, and I feel really happy that, see, I have all smiling faces around me. I'll give you selfies when I get out. Yes, paka. But thoda ek bada ek ye, but I feel really happy. I have people's support. I'm very happy I have people's support. Thank you so much, because I really like acting, and I feel like I'm getting to do all the stuff I love. So thank you so much. Thank you.
माता जी